Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Titi, and if you're joining us for the first time, don't forget to like, share, comment, hit the notification bell so you'll be the first person to be notified once I drop a new video. So today I'll be introducing you to this app called Canva. A lot of you people are scared to use this app Canva. I don't know why. You must not be a graphic designer for you to use Canva, because there are a lot of things you can do with this Canva. You can even create an intro video. Yes, intro videos with Canva. You can do a lot of things with Canva. So what are you going to do? First of all, go to your App Store, go to your Play Store, download the app Canva. You can see it here. Click on it. So these are some of the projects I have done so far, because it's going to show you different things. Some of the projects you've done, educational presentation. You can see you can even create a presentation, educational videos, infographics, classroom posters, chop. There are a lot of things you can do with Canva. Don't limit yourself. So if you're yet to create an account with them, they're going to ask you to create an account. So I'm sorry, I've already created an account. I'm using a pro one here. But I'll try as much as possible to make this for beginners, because it's for both beginners and for pros who already maybe want to dive strictly into the world of, you know, designs. So the first thing, okay, here I'm going to list some of the things you can do with this. You can create a logo, can create a flyer, you can create anything for your social media, be it presentation, be it videos. So let's just start with the simplest thing we can do. So we have the home, we have the project, which will show you things you've done with your, you know, your life. Don't laugh at me. So we have the templates, which okay is more like the what we have at home. This is maybe if you want to like create something for a restaurant, just a restaurant. Maybe you are not thinking. It's going to just search restaurant. Maybe if you want to create a design, you see. So you can either click on one and just work on. Okay, I'm going to click on one and work on it. And also I'm going to. Okay, I have to do this step by step so that you guys will not be confused. So let's go back. Pretend you did not see this. Pretend. I'm sorry. So click on this plus sign here. So it's going to ask you a lot of questions. Do you want to customize? Do you want to upload? Do you want to so create new? So for me, I will be asked to custom size, because this is a pro. I don't know if they will ask you people to custom size. I'm not laughing, I'm sorry. So I'm just going to use any size anyways. Let's just use this for a beginner. Now, these are things I want you to pay attention to. We have the design, the elements, the text, the camera roll. Let me not list, because majority of things here will not be on yours. Not like it will not be accessible to them. So under design are more like templates of maybe what you want to create. Maybe you want to work on restaurants. So that's why I said don't worry, I'm going to bring it for you to understand later on. Elements, maybe you want to add shapes, you want to add videos, anything you want to add, just search of hate here. If you want to add country, I just say Africa, continents, don't worry, I still remember. Let's just say I want to add Africa. See? So whatever thing, be a video, photo, as far as it is something that will aid your design, this is where you add them. We have the text, which is obviously what we know what adding text is. Nobody does a design without adding text. The camera roll to direct you to maybe you want to add a picture of yours, you want to create a birthday flyer for yourself. We have the brand, the upload. The upload is used to upload a file here. So it's our advice you use upload, because if you use upload, it will be saved here. I click on my upload, I see there are some of works that are saved here. We have the tools and the project. So let's start with this. Let's start with click on elements. So I want to introduce you guys to frames and mock-ups. So what does this frame does? Let's just assume this is it. I want to create a food, or maybe anything. Let's just use food something. And I want to first change my background. So I did. I first click on it. I'll go to background. Let's use a pink. No, I'm not a fan of pink. See how I'm changing colors. So you can choose whatever thing that works for you, or you click on the arrow, click on the colors to play around. Let's open this. Then I click on element and search for fried rice. So it showed me a lot of food graphics. So I'm going to explain this to everyone. If you're not using Pro a lot, they won't give you access to some of this. So these are graphics. Maybe if you don't want to use the real pictures, and this is photos. If you want to work with real photos, and you have the ones for videos too. So let's assume I want to work with this picture. So as you can see, it has entered. It will. So I did. So this is what frame does. So when you have a frame and you have a picture, it will enter into the frame without covering the whole background. So if I want to take it out now, I click on this arrow and I click on detach image. Then I click on it again. And how I used to do it, just click on it, just make sure you're looking at the food. Boom, you're there. So we have the fried rice, right? Now I want to add test fried rice. Click on add test button and I write fried rice. Click on it. Just be careful. If you want to, there are a lot of things you can do here. You can add effects, you can add animation, you can add a lot of things. So I want to change the font. You click on font. You see, I like using this Montserrat. I don't know why, but you have a lot of fonts. You have pop-ins. You can click on the arrows if you want to select the type of pop-in you want to work with. Then we have the text styles, which either you want it heading, subheading, or just a normal body. The font size, we already work. You can either use normal here or use the font size. Then you want to work on the color because black is not working on this. So let's just use this. Then let's continue. We have the format. This is going to either you want it bold, italic, or underline, whatever you want it, bullet or not. So let's just work with this. Spacing. Okay. You have the effects. So the effect is for if you want to create a 3D effect, you can just click on the shadow. See, we're given this. Okay, let me go to none. We've given this a kind of 3D effect, so you can customize it here. You can just play around here to customize it. Do you understand? Play with blur, play with transparent. Just play around here. Play around this place to customize. You can also animate, but why are we animating? This is not a video, is it? It's just a normal graphics. Now, what is the next thing you can also do here? I'll just show you. Now, if you want to, maybe you're creating like 8 videos, something like, you can also add from this place. Now, I know you'll be like, why did you skip design? Click on design, search for restaurant flyers. So you're going to pick anyone here. Just don't forget one thing, that you might not be allowed to access all the whole designs here to get it. So what you can necessarily do is maybe save it, screenshot it, then you use it as more like, okay, compare and contrast kind of thing, if you're not allowed to. So click on it, allow it to load. So if you click on this 3 dash here, this is to check all your work, to look at your projects. Okay, so you don't forget. Now our pictures are here, right? So you have this, which is a T, which can always be changed. Do you understand? You can either use the normal method, which is go to your frames, or go to all. You can go to your frames, pick one, or go to mockup or grid and pick something that will work for you. Then add your image. So you can either, if you don't want, maybe you're working with jollof rice, you can always do that. Then if you notice there are all these seeds here, so what you did is, okay, let's just say you're working with rice, right? Let's just change some of this. Go to element and search for rice. Go to photos. Okay, I'm just going to be making an example. So let's just say we're working with this now. So we use this to flip. Oh my god, sorry, English is a problem for me. Right, just we have this. Then I want to maybe add some grains of rice, delete all this and add some grains of rice to my work. I'm just showing you guys an example, so pay attention please. Let's not take time. And I just like grain of rice. Let's just spread this is here. If it's not here, you can always go to what's the name, Chrome, search, then upload it here. Do you understand? So you don't have to be like, yo, it's not here, what will I do? Don't have to worry. So I'll just click on this and you'll be like, well, the background is different. I'll just change the background. Now the problem is, I don't know if this will be accessible for those that are using free mode. If not, there's another method. Go to change background and change the background. Okay, so we have grains of rice. This might not like really look like rice, but let's just use this for the sake of the whole second. So to get a better way, just go to Chrome, get some grains of rice and just work with it. So you can either add, just spray it around, duplicate, spray it around. Just forget, for the sake of the video, just trying to play around, just play it around the way this one is. For the size, English no green me again. Right, then you want to change this to by rice. Also, you can change the color. Don't be like, oh, I'm limited to the color. No, you're not. Just click on the background. You see the color there. Change it. You can change the color. See, we change the color to something else. You see, we change the color. Now you'll be wondering, how did we get the gradient? So you see where they wrote gradients. So how they got the gradient. So you can always change your gradient to match what you want to do. Or better still, work with a solid color. See? Nya. So we have buy your rice. Okay, so we continue with other ways of editing from my other videos, because I don't want to bombard you guys with knowledge. So it's going to be step by step. So get ready. As I'm teaching you how to edit videos, I'm teaching you how to design. Are you ready for me? Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. I know it's pretty long, and I hope it helped. I really wish it helped. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and hit the notification bell so you'll be the first person to view my video once I drop them. Love you all once again. Bye.